Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Speak English Together. I hope you are doing well and practicing your English every day. And as you know, this is day 25 and in this video we are going to talk about a story about Lion King. Yeah, and if you are a new here, so I want to let you know I'm here to practice my English because I am an English learner. So let's begin. Yeah. So the story is the young lion and named Simba and he is the son of King Mufasa and who rules the Pride Land, and Simba dreams of becoming a great king one day. However, Simba's uncle was also want to become a king, and that's why he was jealous of him. And one day, Scar, it means his uncle, created a dangerous plan, and that's caused Mufasa death. And Simba feels guilty and he lives in his house and he ran away from home. Then after a long time, he grew up and he met many friends, new friends, Timon and Pumbaa, and they helped him enjoy life and become stronger. And one day, Nala, and she was his childhood best friend. She come back and told his uncle has destroyed the kingdom, and she tried to tell him the duty and responsibility of Simba. Then Simba realized that he can't run away from your responsibility forever, and finally he returned home and he fights his uncle is scared, and he served the land pride, and he become new king of a kingdom, and he brings peace back to kingdom, peace back in kingdom, and after that, Nala, his childhood friend, become his queen. So that's all. Whatever I wanted to share with you, whatever I watched it on my phone, and this is a English story that I wanted to tell you. But the main lesson from the story is never give up and never run away from our responsibility, and believe in ourselves, and we need to face many challenges with courage. So it is all about this story, and this is the good story because it also helped me to become brave and help us to never give up. So the motive is telling that story that you can also practice like this, because when I watched a movie on my phone, I wrote down many new vocabularies, and you know what? I also tried to speak in English, and that's why I am trying to speaking so that I can practice. So this is the another way of practicing. Yeah, through the storytelling, I hope you will practice. So the practice is all about any language. So don't forget to practice. Try to speaking. If you watch anything, try to speak in English. You know what? I told you before. I will explain whatever I watch. So today I explained all the things whatever I watched in that movie. So this is all for today, and we will meet in next video. Until then, don't forget to practice.